Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I have got the Deerc RC Sandy with me. So if you haven't watched the unboxing, I'm gonna go ahead and put a card in the corner of this video where you can go check it out. But I unboxed this in the last video, and this is gonna be the very first test run of this machine. Now, this is a 1/18 scale monster truck. It is brushed. Let me get the body off and show you what's going on underneath. So it has one 850 milliamp 2-cell. I think it's a LiPo unless it's a lithium ion. I'm not sure. Unfortunately, it does not have oil-filled shocks, so just spring. And also, guys, I do apologize. It's November. It's very breezy out. So if you hear some wind noise in this video, please bear with me. I'll try my best to shelter it out of the wind. But yeah, very breezy today. I still thought it's a nice enough day to go ahead and get this thing out and try testing it out. And I'm actually at my local RC track. I thought this is a good place to go ahead and try to test it out here. So we got 2 batteries. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one hooked up. The only thing you'll need for this to be ready to run is it does not come with the 3 AA's that you need for the controller. Aside from that, it comes with 2 of these little 850 milliamp batteries. Just charge them up with a little trickle charger. They only took like a couple hours to charge up actually. And it claims 20 minutes plus a run time. Now, I don't know. I assume that's between the 2 batteries. So maybe expect 10 minutes each. We will see. But let me go ahead and get it plugged in, get it started up, and we'll see what this thing can do. Alrighty, guys, and we are ready to rock and roll. Get a little feel for this thing. Here's a nice RC track right here. The weather's definitely changed. It's actually pretty damp. Every single time I've come here to actually race on this track and practice, it's been super dry, but now it's actually kind of wet. But let's see what this thing can do. The 1/18 scale Deerc RC Sandy. Let's do a launch, because we need to do a launch. That's always a must. That's a requirement when I'm testing on an RC car. Alrighty, guys, are you ready? Get set, go! It claims 20 plus. Now that's not 20 plus in the grass. It's 1/18 scale, so it gets slowed down in the grass. Right now it's probably only going like 12. So maybe on pavement it can probably go 25. It claims 25 plus. I want to try taking it around the track. Let's see what you can do around the track. Here we go. Into the berm. It's actually a good size RC for this track. Doesn't have any type of TSM, so she gets a little squirrely. Bring her down that far side. I can't see. I just went off the track. Back on. Yeah, it's actually kind of fun on a little track like this. We'll see. I don't know how long this battery's gonna last going full pinned around this track. Yeah, like it gets a move on, like on flat surface, it can actually get moving. It's not fast in the grass though. So if you're taking it through grass, mud, any of that stuff. Also, another thing to point out, guys, nowhere on the box when I unbox this does it say it's waterproof. So I'm assuming if it doesn't state that it's waterproof, it's probably not. So you probably can't go taking this through water. Pinned. Also, guys, if you're enjoying this type of content with these unboxing and these running videos, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. And if you do, make sure to hit that notification bell so then you'll be notified when I do come out with new videos. It's way slower in the grass. I don't even think it's going 10 right now through the grass. So, but you have to realize the belly of it's dragging. The grass is fairly long. There's leaves, there's a lot of stuff in the grass. So it's getting slowed down significantly by the grass. But you know, it's a 1/18 scale, so that's to be expected. But this might be great like on pavement. How about launching the grass? Ready, get set, go! Well, that was underwhelming. Bye-bye. I don't even know if she's going 10. She's probably only going like 8 to 10 through the grass. So it's by no means a speed demon. Now, I do believe, I could be wrong, so don't quote me on this, but I'm pretty sure there is a brushless version of this. But I think it costs like another $100 more, because I think this goes for right around $80. By the way, guys, if you're interested in this RC, I'm going to go ahead and put a link down below, where if you do purchase it using that link, it really does help out my channel, and I do greatly appreciate it. So this is more your entry-level brush version. I still question the 25 mile an hour, because it claims 25 miles an hour. I don't know about 25, maybe 20 tops. I mean, I guess we're not on a completely flat surface. We're not on a completely flat surface, but it doesn't quite seem like it has what it takes to get up to 25. It has enough to get a little bit of air over the jumps. I guess I should try messing with the, here's your speed switch right here, so I can actually turn it down. I wonder if I put it all the way to the lowest setting, how fast and or slow is this thing gonna be? Oh my gosh, what can you do with that? That's pinned with it at the slowest level. Yeah, I bet you it won't even be able to get through the grass. Yeah, it can barely even make its way through the grass because it barely has enough power to get through the grass with it in the lowest setting. So I don't know what you could possibly use this for training a child on it, I guess. But even training a child on this is ridiculously slow. This is going like 2. So that's no fun. So we're gonna turn it up to about, let's say about half, and see what that does. All right, a little bit more speed on half, but still not fast. Definitely not fast. Yeah, let's turn it all the way up, guys, because we want to have fun here. So turn this knob all the way up for the ultimate amount of speed. So you can't do a wheelie or anything. It doesn't have the power to pull a wheelie. And once again, guys, I do apologize because it's quite breezy. So my thoughts are, it's not fast and it's not slow. It's neither. Like, I've driven cars that are slower than this, but it's also not fast. So if you are looking at buying this, just expect it to not be the fastest machine in the world. But for an entry-level machine, which I think is kind of the target market for this, that's probably who the type of consumers they're going for, I think, is entry-level hobbyists. So, you know, this might be an RC car that you're interested in. The one thing I am disappointed in, I'm disappointed it does not have oil-filled shocks. I thought for 80 bucks it should have oil-filled shocks. It only has spring-driven shocks. But they actually seem to be doing all right, at least on this surface. Round the berm. Still get a little bit of air. We're probably 10 minutes in plus with that first 850 milliamp battery, so maybe that's 20 minutes per battery. I don't know. Ooh, it went off the end. Wonder if I can make it back up. Probably not. Oh yeah, I can make it. Flipped it, gotta go get it. Get flipped over and keep on going. Oh, that was some pretty big air, actually. That was nice. I gotta put that on slow-mo for you guys. Here, let's get another one. Whoa! Nice. Bringing it back. I mean, it's a cool little machine. Like, the good thing about it is it's it's very small, so it's very compact, so it's easy to carry with you, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. As for speed, it's not a speed demon. So if you want something speedy, I wouldn't recommend this. But it has just enough to have fun. I would kind of, I'd kind of compare it to like my Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive. So it's slower than that, but I mean, where the power is kind of underwhelming, but you can still have fun with it. So if you know anything about my Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive, the cheapest Traxxas Slash project, I've been working on that for a while, and it started off as a base model, which was a brush model, and it could only top out at like 30 with the high-speed gearing. Bone stock out of the box, I think 21 or 22 is all it could get up to. So that's kind of comparable speed to this. So in a lot of conditions, it's underwhelming. I remember going through the grass with the cheapest Traxxas Slash when it was bone stock. It was struggling to get through the grass. So the same type of issues that, you know, you can possibly upgrade this. I guess I haven't looked into it, but I'm assuming on AliExpress or Banggood, you can probably get a hold of a brushless system and swap the parts out for something else if you want to start off with this as a base. At least I would assume that's an option. Battery's actually still lasting. We're probably 15 minutes in on that first battery, guys. Nice, that one was a good one actually. Oh, that was a good one. So far, she's taking it like a champ, though. It looks like we lost a body clip. Yeah, we lost one body clip, but otherwise, seems like she's still going strong. Okay, it might have just hit a low voltage mode, guys, but I feel like we're probably... There, she turned off. We're probably close to 20 minutes in. So it says up to 20-minute runtime. That must mean per battery, because I have a whole nother battery. But guys, I think we kind of got a good taste of what it's capable of and what it can do and what it can't do. So I don't think I'm going to bother putting the other battery in. But I did have a heck of a lot of fun. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. We'll have this thing out again. Don't worry.